To apply, go to lcsc.edu and click on the Apply button at the top of the page. Once you're in the Apply portal, click on Start Application. The different application types will pop up. For this example, we will fill out the undergraduate application. You will start by creating your application portal account. When filling out your mailing address, please use the search bar. This ensures the address is formatted correctly. If you have a P.O. box, manually filling out this section works best. Some information is required in order to create your profile. This includes your birth date and a valid email. Please use an email you check regularly. You can enter a phone number, but it is not required to create an application profile. This section is about student demographics. Here you can select the term you wish to apply for. Then you select what student type you are, a freshman, a transfer applicant, or a returning LCSC student. For this application, we will select freshman. You can choose campus location. We will select Lewiston since it is our main campus. Then select your intended major. If you're unsure of what you would like to pursue, you can select Undeclared. Search for your high school in the search bar. If you are homeschooled or have a GED, change the school type below the search bar. Add the dates you attended the school. If you don't remember the exact dates, that's okay. Once the admissions office receives your high school transcript, the dates can be updated. The parent/legal guardian information is not a required field to continue. Create a password for your application portal. If you forget the password, you are able to create a new one at the login screen. Click on the Create Account button. You're now ready to continue with the application process. This is the application dashboard. There are a few important dates listed here and information about your application. Click on the Continue Application button. You can see on the right side of the screen that 3 out of 4 of the required information fields are completed. The remaining required information fields will have an asterisk. You'll also notice that some of the information you entered while creating your account has automatically populated into your application. Even if the required fields are completed, it's recommended you double-check that the information is correct. Once you have completed the required fields in the Your Information section of the application, click on the Go to Next Step button. The next section is called Academic Plans. Once again, the information you gave while creating your account auto-populates into some of these fields. You can move on to the next step if you're satisfied with your answers here. If you have attended colleges other than LC State, you can add them in this section by clicking on Colleges Attended. Then you can add the college along with the dates you attended. Use the search bar to find your college. If you don't remember the exact dates you attended, that's okay. A close estimate will do. Click on the Save button to add the college to your application. Once you have added the colleges you've attended, go to the next step. The last required section is the Residency section. Here you will fill out your current state of residence and how long you have lived in that state. The end of this section requires you to select at least one of the following criteria for residency determination. Responses to residency questions may be subject to additional review. At this point, you are able to submit your application. Or you can move on to the next step, which would be the document section if you have transcripts or other admission documents you are ready to upload to your portal. If you do not have your documents on hand, you can upload your documents to the portal at any time. You're also welcome to email them to the admissions office. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. Please read through the agreements of the application. Type your name to add your electronic signature. Make sure to click on Submit your application. Congrats! You've successfully submitted your application to Lewis Clark State College. You can log into your application portal at any time to see the progress of your application.